Hello, welcome to the Shopee app. That's a Python Flask application that's used to manage a store as well as do shopping online through it. It's a very simple application, runs on a MySQL database backend, and has a very simple style and uses Bootstrap as the default framework. So most of the styles are from Bootstrap. There have been some changes and some UI enhancements that have been done in some places to give it a more modern app feel. But in this application, we'll be mostly using the basic features around how we can register a user, how we can add products as an admin or shop owner, as well as uh, buy stuff, using a cart, add things into the cart, and then do a mock purchase sort of thing. So we'll first just check the home page. So this is the home page. Any user can see the home page without logging in, and they can see the products available in the cart. Sorry, in the in the shop. This is a basic banner that can show important information that's there. I'm just using an Unsplash collection and just randomly shuffling the images using the basic Bootstrap carousel. And these are just texts that appear hard coded right now and show some information. These are the items in the shop. There are filters. You can apply filter like using the name, category, or you can sort by cost. I'm just doing one. Uh, it is not working. Yes, I thought. Let's try category or sort from high to low. Yeah, this is how high to low and shoes. Yeah, the shoe categories. Go to category, then all appear. This filter is not working now. It was working earlier. I will get that checked out. It was in the first milestone, the milestone submission. It was working. Okay, so now we'll try the other features. So there is a login option. So an admin user, we will try using the admin user. Admin user is already assigned as a user. So we will create the user is already created. As an admin, I can also shop online using the admin user, but the main features that I can use are the role creation, role, role management parts. Like I can create different roles like uh, shop owner. So I have my shop owner user. I can list down the roles that are there. I can see what are the users assigned. I also have a assign roles feature, just having an error right now, which was working on the earlier page. And then there is the list roles and assign roles we've seen. That is the thing. And this is the main functionality of the user. This is the manage products page. So we can add a product. I will, for example, give the name as t-shirts. We have categories we can choose. We can add a stock and we can add a price and visibility. What is the visibility for the items? If I set it to false, then it won't appear in the home page for a normal user without login, without or logged in also, but who's not an admin user. Uh, I can add a path. So right now the image handling is done using basic path. So I just upload a path from somewhere, uh, and I will just be using this. So the product is added. I'm not redirecting back right now. Uh, so I can also edit the products. The visibility is set to false, so it is not visible as you saw on the home page. If I update the product and I set it to visibility true, now on the home page I can see the product. In the manage page, let me just go back to manage page. Yes, we can see the product now. In the home page, sorry, we can see how the product is visible. You can also view more details about the pay of the product from this page, including the image and all the items. If you are an admin user, you can also edit from here, and you can see the details and you can edit those things. Like for example, if I can change it back to false, or I can change it to red t-shirt, for example. And and the item has been renamed to red t-shirt. So these are the main admin level features. Uh, we can also add products to the cart and purchase them using a mock purchase, but we'll be trying that as a different user. Uh, just checking the sort again. So yes, the sort is working here as a logged in user. I think there's an issue with the non-logged in users. Suppose I say try t-shirt, let's try t-shirts are also coming, so that is also fine. It's only the non-logged in user homepage that is coming as a problem. And again, the sort from cost tag, and these are all additive features. So I filter, so I can do a cost tag to research, and then I can yeah, I can do this, and I should get three t-shirts, yes, with this format. So yeah, that is the admin level high level feature. So we will log out, and then we will register login as a existing user. This is a normal user, Gary at example.com. So again, the same page, I can see all the products that are added visible. I can also view more details about the user, about the page. Uh, and the other main highlight of the features are the add to cart. There's a link problem, so I will just check it. I will show this as a normal user for now, as an item user, so I can add an item to a cart. So I've added one Supreme hoodie, then I'll add these shoes. So if I go to the cart, I can see two items there in the cart, and I can also increase the items. So this is I'll have to click on update to update the cart, and the items are updated. I'm loading, reloading the cart. I can see, and I can bring it back and reload also, and then go back to one. I can also make it 0, in which the cart will be updated, and I'm not doing an asynchronous update, so we'll have to refresh the page, but the item is removed, as you can see, from the cart. Then I will be, for example, adding right to the cart now, and I will show the purchase process. So this is the cart. You can also delete items from the cart. You can clear the whole cart also. So if the cart is clear, refreshing the page, and there's nothing available in the cart right now. I need to remove those buttons in case there's nothing in the cart. That empty state check is not being added. And then okay, then just add two more products again, and I will go into the cart, and these are the items. Go ahead to purchase. This is a milestone 3 feature, so it's not completed. I have the idea and started off in it, but could not get it to the deploy stage. But this is the checkout form. I can select enter the amount. I have address domains. Details I can enter. This is a Python country list that I'm picking, so the countries are available. And select there. I place the order. The order is placed. Here a thank you image should have been coming, and this is a small JavaScript added to hide the flash messages after a few seconds. And yes, this is the error due to which the categories, the order items, I was not able to send it back to this page, or it was not, I'm sending, but it is not coming back to this page as I expected, so hence this is coming as blank. This is an issue that I could not check immediately. But yes, overall these are the features that are there. And this is a simple layout. I'll be working on it in the same just to enhance and remove. There's a lot of refactoring and improvements in code that can be done, which I've commented in some of the areas which can be seen. Some of the things have to move to the model level, for example. It's all in the views, and the views are heavy. The view files are heavy. But overall, yes, this is the feature. This is the page. This is the home page, and you can see this is the simple shop setup that is there. Thank you for your time. Thank you for review. Thank you for a wonderful session. It's been interesting. It's a good course to understand and learn a lot of concepts. And the project concept was helpful, though there was still time, but it was helpful in hands-on trying it out. And the main part is something that we can put it portfolio as a work that is actually done, and it can be hosted. So thank you once again, Professor, for your time and for being very active in teaching and your time in going through the video. Thank you.